What's up, guys?
Hey.
We are back with another video, and welcome back to the JoJo Twins.
We got
Today,
WWE.
we're doing an
Get this out of
unboxing
here.
video, and we have some new toys for you guys. Today, we have the Monday Night Raw, Mosiah, Seth Rollins, and his kicks. We'll put them right there.
And next, we got Silas O'Neal.
Wait, I didn't see him.
No, you need.
And next, we got Randy Orton with the punching bag. With the Brock Lesnar punching bag.
I can't see him.
Say,
In front of me.
next we got Undertaker.
No.
I mean Triple H.
Triple H.
And look what he does. Boom! He comes with the weight thingy. And next we got Elias.
No, you hold the other side.
Elias. We didn't know we were gonna make a video, so we unboxed it. But we could unbox the rest right now. And let's get into it. Let's unbox the Messiah. Seth want the head, because he's already opened.
Him too, you. We could unbox both of them. This one's already.
Hey,
unboxed.
this one's easy. This one has a little hole, so you can go like this.
Oh, that's so cool.
Hey, he came out.
My mommy and dad bought these for me at the store.
Hey, look at this cool head scan. It moves pretty good.
Ooh, we got
I like the way
we got the Royal Rumble suit.
boing.
We'll put that back in. Can you hold this?
Yeah.
We have
Hey.
some extra hands, but we need to give them to my dad after the video.
Hey,
Ooh,
why do
he
you
comes
put them on him right now? Let's leave it right here.
Okay. You
Next.
can actually take off these hands and put these hands. So cool, right, guys?
Next, I'm gonna open this little dude. How do you even open this? Yeah, sorry, so couch.
Daddy,
Couch to
Daddy, I need help taking off this. I can do it.
I got it. So you can open. Oh. I'm gonna go
Whoa,
get
this
two.
thing actually breaks. Look it. You can throw a record on. Then it can break it. Oh,
Nice. I'm gonna open the Messiah. Yes, Rollins.
thank you. Dad, I couldn't do that.
Hey, Jordan.
I couldn't take off the raffle. Like this. Like this, you guys. Like this.
I think
Take it off his feet. Like so. Boom. I did it. There's the trash out of here.
Hey guys, don't look that way. There's a lot of trash. I just want to get this. Let's open the rest of this.
Try this one new. Let's put a suit on him. We'll take off the necklace.
I need
This,
help.
so he's not naked. Let's just undo him. Yeah.
Like show.
Just want to close the gate over there so we don't fall off.
Yeah.
Like that.
That's right.
And thanks for these toys again.
You're welcome.
Reebok! Reebok! What Reebok? Why are you saying Reebok?
Look at that sweater.
Look.
The sweater that.
Nice Reebok sweater. Reebok's one in the family. Reebok's one in the family. Can you get the punching bag? Hey, whoa! I can do that.
Oh, whoa, it actually does play.
Yeah, I told you. And
Hey,
that,
let's
it
see how
didn't
this
break.
thing-
That's how it is.
Let's see how
That's
this.
Bob, Jordan.
Whoa, the head falls off too.
Yeah, you. Dad, give me the box of Randy Orton. No, that's. Oh, yeah. Give me it.
The head doesn't.
You.
Oh, yeah. Hey, this is definitely Bob. They just put the swords on him.
Hey, Jordan.
Look, the head scan. It's seriously Bob. Bob the dummy.
Let's see. I'm gonna see how this
Does. Okay, so it looks like we need to put some little
put the
flat.
necklace on.
Open up. Right here.
Hey, Josh.
His tummy fell off and then his head stayed on his tummy. Look at that. He's literally just dancing.
So funny. How
Let's
does he
see
look
this.
with the suit on him? Dad, how does he look with the suit on him?
Cool.
Wait, you guys already opened the rice?
I opened him by myself.
Wait, take off the shorts so it looks like just regular Bob. Just make it ready, regular Bob. I don't think it can do that.
Let's put this dummy on the side.
Okay, what else?
Okay. This is the last. No, we have two more.
You okay?
Yeah. Oh wait, this thing actually breaks? Yo, it bends.
Hey, I think we've seen this cycle on YouTube.
Did we?
Yeah?
This one?
Yeah, remember how the thing blends?
No, that was Undertaker. Undertaker Battle.
No, but on YouTube, I saw this figure with the thing bending.
choked on my breath. Dad, can you open this? Whoa, how did you open that?
You just bend it like this. You just bend it like this, look. See how that?
Thanks for this again. Oh, Dad, this is just like the Roman reins I broke. Right, Daddy? Because the Roman reins I broke went like this. Boom. But I broke it. I twisted it too hard, and then it went. And I twisted it too hard like this. I twisted it like this too hard, and then it broke. How did this one work, Dad? Is this wicked?
No.
I think this is wicked. Let me see his box. Where's his box? This is how this, yes. Oh yeah, that's Arias, yeah. Thanks for this again. Dad, what's this? It goes like this, right? What's his weight? Dad, you know what this is from? This is from the Greatest Royal Rumble.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Whoa, it just went.
I told you. Did you guys already open the Messiah? I got a boom. Sweet. It has tape right here, but I couldn't take off the tape.
Need
Let's-
help?
No, I got it.
Let's see how it works. That scared the heck out of me.
Oh, we could use this as an entrance pad for my toy stage, right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But the reason is, how do you get them out?
You just bend this, and then it'll
Like
pop
thi-
out.
Like this?
Yeah,
Look, like
yeah. Bend it back and forth,
bend it
and
back
then I keep doing it, and then it'll open.
What, you need help?
I need help.
Me too. Just look at the weight. Ay,
Get the Thank you
stress
again.
out of it.
Thank you again, Daddy.
Hey, I'm gonna.
Thank you
You're welcome.
again.
Wait, is that all of them?
Yeah, that's all.
Can you help me? Can you
Oh
help me
wait,
put
now
it
I
on?
could take off my shoes.
Help me put it on.
Now I can take off my shoes. Like this. Now that I'm back home, I can take off my shoes. Yes. I really like that ball.
There it is.
Oh, there it is. Dad, I like this shoe. Hey, where's the weight? Dad, can you help me put it on him? Dad, we have a Safari's that kids already. But what? Bye-bye. Thank you for
Bye.
everything.
Thank you.
I mean, show my videos and make sure you subscribe to the JoJo Twins. Yeah. See you later. At you can buy this. You can buy all this stuff at WWE.com. Bye.